AT&T Modem. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to fix AT&T Modem blinking white light. So let's get started. First, check the cables. Make sure all cables, power, Ethernet and DSL fiber are firmly connected. Loose or damaged cables can interrupt the signal. You can also restart the modem, unplug the modem from power, then wait about 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to reconnect. The third option is check for outages. Visit the AT&T outage page or use the Smart Home Manager application to see if there is a network issue in your area. You can also restart the gateway using the application if previous options does not work. For this, open the AT&T Smart Home Manager. Here, select your modem and then choose Restart. Then you can also inspect the ONT. If you have ONT box, make sure its lights are normal. A red or no light may indicate fiber issues that require support. Hold the reset button on the back of the modem for 10 seconds for the last option, that is factory reset. This will restore default settings, Wi-Fi name and password will reset too. If the light keeps blinking white for over 10 minutes, contact AT&T for a line check or modem replacement. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix your issue of AT&T modem blinking white light. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.